Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi keeping on disconnecting in Windows PC. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to do is we're going to search for View Network Connections. Then from here, you're going to tap on the network connection that you're connected to, so local internet connection, go to Properties, then from here, click on Configure. Now you're going to go to Power Management. As you can see, there is a box that says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You're going to disable that check mark, click OK. Now if that doesn't work, you're going to go to your network connections right here, right click on it, go to Properties, and then from here make sure that it's set to Private. For the private network, it'll stay connected for a more secure connection. Now finally, if that didn't work, then you're simply going to go to Networks again, right click on it, go to Properties, and then from here make sure to Configure and then update the driver if possible. Check for updates, and if that doesn't work, then hopefully just restart the computer and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.